If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2023 Dodge Hornet GT Plus in Blue Bayou. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, surround view camera system, drowsy driver detection, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 36,000 miles on the odometer, 10.25-inch touchscreen, navigation, sport mode, remote start system, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.